Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the virtual machine and verifying the guest is cleanly shut down. This prevents disk corruption. Once off, make a full backup of the VM directory or export the disk file because you need a fallback. Then, confirm the destination drive has at least the VM size plus 10% free to accommodate temporary files and snapshots. Finally, open your hypervisor and locate the VM's main disk file path so you can begin the file transfer with confidence. Once the files are copied to the new drive, you must update the VM configuration so the hypervisor points to the new disk location. Otherwise, the VM won't boot. Use a reliable tool like Robocopy or rsync with metadata flags to preserve timestamps, permissions, and disk UIDs. After copying, edit the VM's VMX or XML configuration, replace old paths with new ones, and ensure snapshots and log files moved too. This keeps consistency. If snapshots are present, migrate them carefully. You finish by powering the VM on and validating that the guest boots cleanly, services start, and network interfaces function. If something fails, stop immediately and compare the disk path and UUIDs in the VM config with the actual files. Hypervisor logs often reveal missing file references. Also check file permissions and snapshot chains. Once everything is confirmed working, remove the original files to reclaim space, but keep the backup until you have run the VM under normal load for a short test period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.